Feel that burn inside? That rage that screams, "This isn't how it's supposed to be." You build, you invest, you lead. And yet every damn day the system boxes you in, tells you to play by rules made for people far smaller than you. The frustration, crushing, the feeling of isolation, like you're shouting in a void, trapped in endless sameness while the world feasts on status quo mediocrity. You know the truth. The rules are lies, the comfort is a cage, and the freedom sold to you is a trap. You feel it in your bones. Being a founder isn't just about startups or cash or products. It's about breaking out of the mold that society, the system, the world shoves so violently into you. But how? How do you shatter chains no one even admits exist? Here's the first brutal truth. Nobody's going to hand you permission. Nobody's going to say, "Go ahead, break things, break them all." You have to take that fire inside you and turn it, not into anger, but into obsession, raw, laser-focused obsession, to rewrite the rules your way. Stop waiting for comfort or safety. Tear down the illusions around you that say you must be less to fit in. The system doesn't reward real risk or real vision anymore. It rewards compliance, mediocrity, hiding. That means you need to be ruthless with what you accept. Every idea, every habit, every norm that doesn't push you forward, destroy it. Don't ask for permission. Don't soften your edge for the comfort of the crowd. Next, find the few who get it. Not the masses that want predictable, safe, and easy. No. Find those rare allies who burn just as fiercely, whose ambitions scare everyone else away. Connect, not because it's convenient, but because without these brutal, relentless connections, your vision dies. This isn't about networking or small talks. It's about creating ironclad alliances where resources, trust, and energy flow freely, and where each link forces you to rise higher than you thought possible. You will be misunderstood. You will be accused of hubris, madness, or arrogance. Embrace that. Isolation is the price of greatness. But with the right few beside you, isolation becomes fuel, not pain. Now stop worshipping past successes, or titles, or your own ego. The only thing that matters is what you build. Right now. Productive individualism means building yourself every single second, not for praise, but to unleash unstoppable results. Deliver breakthroughs, not cheap noise. Rebuild every day. Ideas, ventures, processes, by attacking your weaknesses and doubling down on your strengths like a machine designed to transform the impossible into reality. If your freedom doesn't yield impact, it's just empty pride. Show the world power beyond inherited names or legacies. Value is earned relentlessly, every day, and power should follow ability, not status. Imagine stepping beyond borders, not just of nations, but of thinking, crossing ideas, cultures, markets with strategic precision that makes geography irrelevant. Why stay confined to one place, one perspective, one system? The world is your playground and your battlefield, not your cage. You belong nowhere and everywhere at once. That's power. That's the pulse under your skin right now, begging you to transcend limits. Limitations society told you to accept as facts. They're not. Mortal boundaries, rules, customs, they are challenges waiting for you to conquer. You're not here to fix the system by its own weak standards. You're here to build a whole new one. Autonomous, fierce, hungry, relentless. This path isn't for comfort. It's for chaos, for breaking molds until they shatter, for facing doubt so fierce it shakes your spine, and smiling back. Founders, investors, leaders like you aren't made by settling. You're made by rising again, 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 until the myths that chain entire generations are nothing but dust beneath your feet. So stop asking if you can. Stop wondering if you should. The world doesn't need your hesitation. It needs your storm. Break the mold. Burn the bridges you're holding on to just to feel safe. Connect with the few who make you better. Build your freedom into furious, unbreakable power. Do this or fade into silence. The choice is yours. No excuses. No delays. Step forward. Now.